As of today, Nicolas Maduro, the former president of Venezuela, is at the center of one of the most dramatic geopolitical crises in recent Latin American history, facing criminal charges in a U.S. federal court, while Venezuela's future hangs in the balance. This is the latest verified update. As of today, Nicolas Maduro remains in U.S. custody following his capture earlier this month. He and his wife, Celia Flores, appeared in a federal courtroom in Manhattan under heavy security. During the hearing, Maduro pleaded not guilty to charges including narco-terrorism, drug trafficking conspiracy, and weapons offenses. Speaking through an interpreter, Maduro told the judge that he was kidnapped. He also insisted that he is still the legitimate president of Venezuela. The court has scheduled future proceedings for March, as legal arguments over jurisdiction and sovereign immunity continue. Meanwhile, back in Venezuela, power has shifted. As of today, interim President Delcy Rodriguez is leading the government, with backing from the Supreme Court and senior military leadership. After initially condemning Maduro's capture, Rodriguez has now signaled a willingness to reopen dialogue with the United States. Diplomatic channels, frozen for years, are cautiously reopening. U.S. officials describe this moment as a possible turning point in U.S.-Venezuela relations. In another major development, Venezuelan authorities have released several political prisoners in recent days. Families welcome the news with relief, but human rights organizations warn that many detainees remain behind bars. As of today, international watchdogs continue to monitor detention conditions and political freedoms inside the country. The crisis is not only political, it is also economic. As of today, the United States is exploring plans to reshape Venezuela's oil sector. After years of sanctions and declining production, officials say any future oil revenue could be redirected toward humanitarian relief and economic stabilization. Critics argue this represents unprecedented foreign influence. The outcome could reshape global energy markets. Global reaction remains divided. Russia and China have criticized the U.S. operation, raising concerns about sovereignty and international law. Legal experts warn that capturing a sitting head of state without United Nations authorization sets a dangerous precedent. Supporters of the U.S. action argue that long-standing criminal investigations justify the move. The debate is far from settled. As of today, Maduro remains jailed in New York. His legal team is preparing a defense centered on sovereign immunity and the legality of his capture. Meanwhile, Venezuela faces an uncertain future, with new leadership, fragile diplomacy, and intense international pressure. The next court hearing could define the next chapter of this historic case. This is a developing story with global consequences. For clear, verified updates on the events shaping our world, subscribe to GeoAffairs. This report reflects the situation as of today.